Hello everyone! So I wanted to hop onto YouTube today and do a little bit of an unboxing / class information. So my class, over the past 6 months, I have been working so hard, fighting with technology like you wouldn't believe, to get my website up and running and organized and linked up and all those fun things. And then I created a class. The class took me a long time to do because I was very picky about what I wanted and very specific. So it required me to just move slowly so I could make it exactly the way that I wanted my class to be. And now we've hit the part where everything is live. I'm so excited about that. So the class is live. It's on my website and you can find that link down below. And what the class is about is it's called Simple Elegance. So my thought process when I was developing a class idea was that so often in the scrapbook world, we are asked what our style is, or we come across a challenge that asks us to create a layout in our signature style. And I think it's really important when you come across those kinds of things in the scrapbook world that you don't feel overwhelmed by it and you don't feel confused by it and you don't feel lost by it. And the two ways I think it's important to do that is to, one, know what's out there, know what styles are out there, what stylist aesthetics are in the, what are they, where are they, how can I find them? When you look at a sheet of pattern paper, how do I know what style this is, right? And the next thing is, I think it's really important not to pigeonhole yourself. I think it's important to know what your options are when it comes to styles. And more importantly, I think it's really important to have an idea of what kind of style. I think it's important to try different styles. So this is a class that I'm hoping I can build upon with more classes. So the first class is going to deal with the style aesthetic of elegance. How do we apply that? How do we look into our stash, find elements that are elegantly styled, and then how do we create a layout using those styles? So how do we create a layout that can be bold and eye-catching but still elegant? How can we create a layout that looks masculine and textural, but still being elegant? How can we create a layout that is simple, easy to make, but still have that elegant feel to it? And that's what the class delves into. So there are 6 classes. Each class has a video, a process video, and a layout share video, a PDF, and you can also, each class has both an 8.5 by 11 and a 12 by 12 layout. So each class, you have kind of like a layout share or an overview. Then you have a process video of one of the 2 layouts that I created for the class, for that lesson. And then you also have a PDF that you can print out and leave on your scrapbook desk. Along with the class, I designed a kit of small embellishments, and I wanted to unbox that kit for you so you know exactly what you're going to be getting in that kit. So every part of this kit I thought about. I wanted to make sure that you guys could use every part of this kit onto your layouts. So nothing is packaging, right? So I chose a gorgeous glassine kind of bag to hold the kit in with a damask pattern, and I use this in one of the layouts in my class. I then have a pack, and again, small glassine bag can be used on your layout. And then in here, I have a set of very delicate, elegant die cuts. These are on some nice heavyweight cardstock, so you can color them different colors if you want. And I also use these in my class. They are very delicate, so just kind of make sure you get them apart. So we have the leaf die cuts, and you're going to get 5 like this with the cutout, and then 3 that are flat. So So you get 8 of the leaves. Okay. Then we have an exclusive sequin mix designed by Spiegel Mom Scraps. You can only get this in the kit that comes in my class. And I helped Jody to design this and make it beautiful, and I use it in my class as well. Then you get some more die cuts. These are these beautiful roses. So there are 3 of these very delicate ones, and then 2 of these more thicker ones. And again, the small glassine bag that you can use on your layout. Oh, sorry about that. On your layout as well. And then we have a yard of this gorgeous gold trim. This trim is from May Arts. So you get a whole yard of it. Really pretty little leaves. And then 3 Cambridge doilies. And as you work through the class, you'll see that I use these products, and they're very neutral, so they'll kind of go with anything you'd like them to go with. Below you will find a link to my website, and the only thing I will say is that if you just want to buy the class, there's been a couple of hiccups with the cart this weekend, where if you put the kit in your cart and then go back out, you have to put something else in your cart to check out. Like, there isn't like a cart button yet. So that is a little bit wonky, but the only thing available to buy in the shop is the class and the kit. So, and the class, you will get a download link and a PDF file that you keep. And you want to keep that PDF file. It has all the information. We have a Facebook group set up. And the kits, I'm going to be packing them with my oldest son all weekend, and we will ship any kits that are ordered this weekend will be shipped out on Monday. I have very limited stock of these kits, so I have close to 25 available, and that's it. So I would highly recommend that if you're interested in my class, if you're interested in this kit, go shop now. All right, I will talk to you all very soon. I hope you like this kit I've put together, and I hope you love my class. I have really poured a lot of my time and effort into it, and I'm really proud of how it turned out. And I have been loving some of the feedback I have gotten about the class, because I gave it kind of a soft launch last weekend so we could work out the kinks and work out problems. But everything's live. Everything seems to be working really well and ready to go. So if you're interested in that, you can check out the link below. I will talk to you all very, very, very soon. Bye.